everybody here at KRS. We are on Matt's sedan. Lane will walk you through it and tell you what we're doing, what's happening.
So right now, Chad has got the floor cut out. He's got the substructure tacked in, and that will sit on the chassis from Boling Brothers or Boling Brothers. We're not really sure. They're gonna have to tell us. But this chassis is an absolutely fantastic product. Absolutely fantastic product and will not break your bank. So we're just gonna let Chad do his thing, and then pretty soon we'll have the body on the chassis by the end of the day. We got our chassis height established. Now, Kenny's grabbing the forklift and we're gonna toss this thing on the chassis in one day. Actually, a couple hours. We haven't really been working on it that long. All right, and just like that, in a couple of hours, we've got a body and a chassis. So now we're gonna put the motor and the transmission in, line up the drivetrain, and keep on trucking. Awesome.